Hi guys, I took a hairdryer apart the other day. I saved the motor and the tube and the fan, and we now have a radio controlled fan driven car. Only for a bit of fun indoors, not a really serious one. I've only blue tacked the receiver and the ESC and the battery in place. We've got no reverse and no brakes, so that makes it a bit of fun to try and drive it around without bumping into things. And I've only taped it together, so it does sort of fall apart. But it'll do. We'll have a little run with it. I'll set the camera up on the tripod. That'll do. It works. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.